Welcome to this short video of the path in Salesforce Lightning. Today we'll be discussing the key features of the path and also the benefit it has to your business. The path is just a visual representation of a pick list field in your Salesforce org. This can be any pick list field, but today we'll be focusing on the stage pick list on an opportunity. The two main features of the path is you can highlight key fields your reps and agents should be focusing on at each stage of your business process. You can also offer them guidance for success at each stage of the business process, different areas they should be focusing on, questions they should be asking, maybe some policy reminders as well. So let's go ahead and have a look at what this looks like in Salesforce. For this example, let's navigate to the opportunity object and select the ABC9 Spider laptop record. The first thing we see is our path at the top of the page, which is showing our stage pick list field on our opportunity. As you can see, it's showing us the steps in the business process from newly converted lead all the way to our closed won, closed lost deal. The path is really useful to identify whereabouts the opportunity is in our pipeline. We can also offer our reps guidance for success and also key fields they should be focusing on to move the deal along the pipeline. If I click on the arrow on the left hand side, this will bring up the key field that our sales reps should be focusing on at this stage, and also the guidance for success. This could contain questions to ask your customers, policy reminders, areas to focus on, but this is all configurable by your admin. Now as a sales rep, I click on the qualification stage and mark it as complete. And as you can see, this automatically updates the stage and the path for me. And you can have the key fields and guidance for success to change depending on which stage your sales reps are at. As you can see, the path in Salesforce is really useful and highly customizable by your Salesforce admin. If you wanted different key fields and guidance for success to show up on each of your stages, you can do so. And it's really useful to start standardizing your business process so your sales reps know what they should be focusing on and how they should efficiently close each deal. I hope you enjoyed this short introductory video to the path in Salesforce. Thank you very much for watching.